Another story. Title: Building an Aesthetic Body, Exercises, Workout Routine, and Nutrition Guide. Welcome to the Health Star Fitness YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you on building an aesthetic body. We'll be sharing exercise tips, a workout routine, and the best diet recommended by top trainers and fitness specialists in the industry. Let's get started. To achieve an aesthetic body, it's crucial to combine targeted exercises with a well-rounded workout routine. Let's dive into some exercises that will help you sculpt your dream physique. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are a foundational movement that target your lower body, particularly your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, engage your core, and lower your body as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and your weight on your heels. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are excellent for building a strong back and defined arms. Start by gripping the bar with your palms facing away from you, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended, then engage your back muscles and pull your body up until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself back down with control. If needed, use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Exercise 3. Shoulder press. Shoulder presses target your deltoids and help build broad and defined shoulders. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level, palms facing forward. Press the dumbbells upward until your arms are fully extended overhead. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder level with control. If using a barbell, start with it resting on your upper chest and press it upward until your arms are fully extended. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Now let's do some exercises for the chest. We are going to hit all 3 parts of the pec, the upper, the middle and the lower pec. Exercise 1. Upper chest. For a well-rounded chest, incline dumbbell bench press is your best friend. Lie back on an incline bench, holding dumbbells at shoulder level. Push the dumbbells up until your arms are fully extended, then lower them back down with control. Feel the burn in your upper pecs. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Lower chest. To focus on the lower part of your pecs, try decline push-ups. Place your feet on an elevated surface, like a bench, and position your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your chest towards the ground, then push back up. Your lower chest will thank you. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Exercise 3. Middle chest. For the middle part of your pecs, there's nothing like the classic bench press. Lie on a flat bench, grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and lower it towards your chest. Push the bar back up, feeling the burn in the middle of your chest. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Exercise 4. Lower back. To strengthen your lower back, let's go for some good old deadlifts. Stand with your feet hip width apart, a barbell in front of you. Bend your knees, hinge at the hips, and grip the barbell with your hands just outside your legs. Keep your back straight and lift the barbell by extending your hips and knees until you're standing upright. Lower the barbell back down, keeping that lower back strong and stable. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Now, let's talk about the best diet to support your aesthetic goals. Remember, nutrition plays a vital role in achieving the physique you desire. Tip 1. Focus on lean proteins. Include lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, or legumes in your meals. Protein aids in muscle growth and repair. Tip 2. Complex carbohydrates. Opt for complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. They provide sustained energy for your workouts. Tip 3. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Remember, it's important to consult a nutritionist or dietitian for personalized advice based on your specific needs and goals. That's a wrap for today's video on building an aesthetic body. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique. Stay consistent, stay dedicated, and enjoy the journey. And remember, a little humor goes a long way. Flex those muscles and make the gym your happy place. Don't forget to subscribe to the Health Star Fitness YouTube channel for more informative and entertaining content. Keep shining bright, my friends. Thanks for watching Health Star Fitness. Remember to take action and like, comment, share and subscribe.